What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hannah and Hailey's channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be eating these Lego candy, as you can see. And comment down below if you ever had this. I got it at the cheese house. So let's get started. Okay. So it starts. Okay, I got it. That's what they look like. Fresh. You could actually build with them and eat them. So let's build something like a tower or something that goes up. So I got these green ones. The green ones are my favorite. I usually eat them. And then now I did 2 greens, 1 red, yellow, and a blue. You can actually build with these. See? Looks like a chair, right? I could fit in there. Just kidding. Alright. Comment down below what we should do first. Alright, someone said to the green. Alright. So I like to have like 2 of the. I'm gonna have this green one. It looks so real. Like, yeah, let's try it. These are hard, so gotta bite out of it. Yay. Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Alright, what's next color? Someone said red. Okay, so look at the, here's the red one. Now we're gonna try it. I'm in Indiana right now, if you're wondering. I'm not at my house. I'm in Indiana. Other state. I live in Ohio. Alright, a bite out of it. I was gonna say that, but next one. Someone said blue. Alright, so this one's a tiny one this time. It has holes. Like, these look so real. You could like actually do. Alright, so you're in like class. You just pull out your whole entire box of Legos and then you start eating them. Like, people are like, why are you eating Legos? I'm like, it's just candy. Stays on the top. Blue one. Oh, I have a loose tooth right here. It almost like fell out. I got a bite. So the last one, someone said yellow, and it's another one of them. This one looks like the shiniest. So I think this one's banana. It tastes like banana a lot. Got a bite out of that. Then for the final round. No, not the final round. Whoops. Right. So this round we're gonna be getting these Legos and start building something. And first we're gonna eat the ones that are on this placemat we had done. So one fell out. Alright. While I'm eating it, let's build it. So we're gonna build on this side instead of this side. I don't know why, but well, first I'm gonna do like the bottom layer all green because it has like a big layer. So yeah, I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see. So I'm almost at the bottom layer. Oh. Okay. Got that done so far. And comment down below how, like, rate it when I'm all done. The product. Oh, and that. Anyways. Oh, yeah. I love these Lego candies. They're super good. Comment down below if you like them. Alright, so I got the first part done. Ah! Got the first part done. Now we're gonna do the layer. Wait. I just like fill it in this like little hole right here. Like fill it in. And then start. What color should we make it for? This should be like the floor color. What color should we do? Alright, you guys comment down below. Alright, so what's some blue? So we're gonna do blue for the floor. So we're gonna get the ones that have 4 pieces. I put the camera like that so you can see. Everybody can't talk correctly because I have all of them in my mouth. That's why I need to do them that fast so I can talk more in this video. I'm almost done with the bottom, the rug / ground. I think I'm doing, comment down below, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Okay. Oh no! I'm almost putting out the blue. But what second color should we do it? Because I think we ran out. Alright, someone said green. Green again. Okay, so we're gonna do the rest of green. Okay. Oh my gosh, look how good this is, guys. I think that's good. Alright, now we're gonna do like the wall color. So, what color should we do it? Comment down below right now. Someone said yellow. So we're gonna be doing the wall color yellow. Yellows are only have these small parts, so it's gonna probably take a while. And I'm gonna do it like on a second. On them. If you guys confused what I just said, it means like this. Like that one's out and then it's in. So what I mean? Okay. Now I'm just gonna build it around like I did with the green. And we're gonna get to the roofs later. I'm gonna put the speed up. What? Hit the music! Oh my god, I think I messed up. Hey guys, so I just finished the wall. How does it look? Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna do the roof. Comment down below what color we should do. Alright, someone said red, of course, because Last color. Haven't didn't ready yet. It's really tricky. Okay. Hit the music. Okay, I'm done. That's my room. Put it out and work very much. So yeah. Alright guys, here's the final project. Here's my house. Doesn't look too bad, but it's pretty good. Right. That was today's video. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.